So we're going to put our name, grade, and room on the back, like we always do. And then we're going to flip it over, and you're going to get a circle to trace on your paper, so you can decide where you'd like to put that. Hold it nice and still, and then trace very lightly. You don't want it dark. And then the next step is we will take turns painting at the counter, and you're going to choose to paint all this space around the circle with either the 3 warm colors or the 3 cool colors. So I'm going to take some water first and get my paper kind of wet. So this is a watercolor technique called wet on wet. I'm still going to be careful around that circle because I would like to leave the circle the white paper. So nice big strokes. This can be a bigger paintbrush since we are just kind of getting the paper wet. And then when you go to paint with the color, you can do a pattern if you want, or it could just be an abstract design of your ideas. It's completely up to you. So now I'm going to start in with these colors, and I kind of like the idea of going around the circle, mimicking that circle shape. So I am going to use that as my guide, and I'm going to use all the green at once. I mean, maybe I'll come back a little bit when I'm trying to cover white, but you want to do all that same color at one time. And then I'm going to switch to my next cool color. Remember to wipe your brush before you go back into the paint. So what that water is doing is helping diffuse the paint a little bit. It makes it a little bit of a softer, diffused look of paint. So this painting goes fairly quickly. And then I'm going to add my last color, which is the blue. And here you're going to want to cover all your white with that last color. So once you're finished painting, we're going to put the whole tray on the drying rack, and then I'm going to show you the next step, next class, once it's dry.